Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove photos in Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, we have the home loans and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove photos in Zillow. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So visit the Zillow website and log into your account. Then click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select your home from the menu. Click on the title, your home or load the property page. If you haven't already claimed your home, follow the steps to do so. Click on the edit facts icon from the owner view of the property page. After that, to remove a photo, click on the individual photo and select remove photo. To remove all photos, click delete all photos. Then save changes, so click save changes button at the bottom of the page to finalize your update. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.